Oh man, I can't believe I made Sandy mad, but I gotta look tough in front of my boys.
Danny, you alright, man?
Yeah, I'm fine. Don't worry about me.
Alright, bro. Just checking on you.
If only there was someone to help me in this time of distress. I said, if only there was someone to help me in this time of distress. Do I hear coconuts or a horse?
Whoa! I hear you need some help.
I thought you guys were just a myth or legend.
Actually, we're just...
Oh, those coconuts?
What?
You got two
What?
coconuts, and you're banging them together.
No, just that Tonto. He found them.
Nah, they're not coconuts.
Drop the nuts. Ain't your name Tonto?
It's Tonto for this video, gringo. Don't want to get sued.
Aren't you supposed to be Native American?
Did I not just say copyright issues?
I think you did, and if you're not Native American, what else would you be?
I don't know. What do you think?
I think you look like the 2012 version of Tonto.
Tonto? Actually, one of my Mayan buddies told me the world is supposed to end in 2012.
I remember that day.
So, the word around the village is the world's gonna end 2012.
Cool. Cool.
What were you looking at?
Doesn't matter.
So if your friend is Native American, wouldn't that make you Native American?
No.
Just whatever. How are you going to help me with my problem?
We can't. Help! Hi, old Silver! Away!
He didn't even shut the door.
And you didn't help me with my problems.
Sorry.
Adios. At least you got one problem.